1900. Yes, right now, and this city airport just landed. It's 2025, landing on the 12th of May, the Thursday, 2002, 2022 rather. Obviously, we're not going back here, just move forward. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London City Airport. Views of landing and taking off of planes. Here comes the Luxair traveling from London City Airport at time now is 2013. Hopefully, the Luxair will be taking off right here at City Airport in the next minute or a couple of minutes. So, atmosphere here clear, not cloudy at this point in time, and here comes the tarmac, a very long stretch of the tarmac of London City Airport. Luxair. Let's get closer details of the aircraft. So hopefully in the next couple of seconds now it will be taken off. So right here it's about taking off. 2013 taking off. Now 2014 still on the track. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the taking off Luxair at London City Airport on a speed of 150, 200, now close to 250 miles per hour. Now on the here, it's getting on to 300. Now on the sky, you can see the skyline of the London and the aircraft right above in the sky. So we'll stay here at the London City Airport. We'll give you another flight taking off right here. Stay tuned. And here comes the another plane landing at London City Airport, and you're all set for the landing on the tarmac of the London City Airport. It's the British Airways, and a smooth landing. The time is 2025, landing on the 12th of May, the Thursday, 2022 rather. Obviously, we're not going back here, just move forward. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London City Airport. We hope you enjoy the flight down here. Please remain seated, fasten your seatbelt as the plane is taxiing towards the final stop. Thank you very much for your understanding and cooperation. Sky blue right here at the London City Airport. Time is 20:28, and the British Airways is about taking off. The atmosphere is really clear. In the meantime, we're having another plane coming up for landing at London City Airport. You look up in the sky straight. You see the aircraft coming. And in the next 2 minutes, it should be arriving. So 15 minutes degrees. The temperature now 15 degrees at London City Airport. We hope to see the upcoming aircraft landing here at about 20:32. Thank you very much for your patience, and in the meantime, another aircraft, British Airways, right here waiting. He's gonna wait for the oncoming aircraft to land. before taking off. Stay tuned. Then I'll give you a trailblazing views right here at the London City Airport. Just on the side here is the University of East London. And the aircraft coming on board at exactly on time. Here comes it. That's it. It's another British Airways landing. Exactly 2032. Right here at London City Airport on the 12th of May 2022. As the British Airways landing and taking its position, we have another one coming on board, which is going taxing towards the takeoff point. And we have the British Airways getting set to take off right here at exactly 2033, the Thursday, 12th of May 2022. So we're gonna give it to you. We're taking off. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to take off. Sit very relaxed. Fasten your seatbelt. Here we go. British Airways 2033 taking off at London City Airport, Thursday, 12th of May. Still on, taking off, still on the here at the altitude of about 1,000 meters off ground, and that's it. At about 300 miles per hour on a stable mode now, and the journey continues. Thank you very much for being here. We're still at the London City Airport. Let's go and see more. Another aircraft on the tarmac, waiting for another one to land. This is it, approaching plane, scheduled to land at 2034 hours. British Airways landing on the 12th of May 2022. Perfect landing. Thank you very much for being here. It's been a smooth journey down here at the London City Airport. You're welcome. Atmosphere is 15-degree, clear atmosphere, blue sky, cloudy, not cloudy, but very clear. Thank you. It's another busy evening indeed. We're gonna give to you another plane taking off right here to the airport. So all set now for the 2036 taking off of the Swiss Air. Let's give a closer look at the plane, and it's all already on set. Ready to take off. 2036 taking off from London City Airport. All sets. Everybody ready for the takeoff of the aircraft. It's at 2036. And ready to go. Thank you very much for being here. and now on the altitude of 500, now close to 700, moving on to 800 altitude, up in the sky, now at the range of 1,000 meters from below, from the ground, and right here now in the sky at 300 miles per hour. On a stable mode, soon we'll be heading towards Germany. That's plane takeoff at exactly 20:36 at London City Airport, London. London skyline above the E14 of Canary Wharf, financial district of London, and we're taking just towering over the London City Airport right here at E16 in East London. We're gonna give you another flight, taking off right here. It's the KLM taking off right here. City Airport, 12th of May. Up in the sky, the KLM right there. It's already on the altitude and now traveling at 300 miles per hour. That's 20:45 taking off at London City Airport. 20:45 is that time. Wish you a safe journey. Right here, 21:10. Little landing at London City Airport. It's late in the evening, about 10 minutes past 9. Here comes the landing. The temperature is very good in London at about 12 degrees. British Airways landing at 21:10. London City Airport on Thursday, 12th of May 2022. We hope you enjoy the flight. Thank you for staying tuned on this channel. It's been another evening of plane spotting right here at the London City Airport. We hope you enjoy staying tuned, enjoying the landing and taking off of different aircraft, especially British Airways this evening. Thank you for being here. We hope to see you again next time on this spotting on this channel. Check out our playlist of airport tours for more and exciting plane views and tours of airports.